A small question for your revision on bill of exchange. Okay. On March 1st, Shashi sells goods to Neerja worth rupees 20,000. Okay. Shashi ने नीरजा को बेचा 20,000 worth goods. On 1st March only, Shashi draws a bill on Neerja for 3 months. Neerja accepts the bill. Calculate date of maturity. So, I am testing now. Do you remember how to calculate date of maturity? Date of maturity. क्या होता है date of maturity? Date of bill, then plus period of bill. कितने months का है वो period of bill, plus 3 days of grace, right? So, your date of maturity in this case, pay attention, date of bill. Sold goods on 1st March and on 1st March only Shashi draws a bill on Neerja for 3 months. So, date of bill is 1st March plus period of bill is 3 months plus 3 days of grace. 3 days ही लेते हैं हमेशा, याद है. So, मार्च से आगे 3 months, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून. सो 1st March से 3 months, 1st June plus 3 days of your grace. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Your answer is 4th June. Now one more thing, I am just reminding you, if there was a Sunday or if there was a public holiday, पब्लिक हॉलीडे कौन से डेट्स होते हैं वो सबको याद रहता है. 15th August, 2nd October and 26th Jan. सो इनमें से कोई डेट्स है या संडे है तो व्हाट विल बी योर ड्यू डेट? देन योर ड्यू डेट विल बी immediately preceding the working day, means preceding, पहले. 15th August है तो 14th August हो जाएगा, एक दिन पहले हो जाएगा. ओके, that's all for this part. Let's move on.